In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google Docs cover page. We are going to use drawing tool for making a cover page. So go up to insert, drawing, and new drawing. So go up to image. I'm going to upload one. So I'm going to put some text. Put your text here. Select it. I'm going to change the color of text. Make it and bigger. I'm going to make it 24. And don't forget to make the justify center. Here it is. Save and close. So we have now cover page for your Google Doc. If this video helped to solve your problem, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.